Hi, I'm Axel. Welcome to BitSports AI. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create your account in a simple and fast way. To start your registration process, you need a registration link. You can get it from the person who told you about BitSports AI. Once you have the link to register, the link will take you directly to the registration form so you can create your account. Well, now as you can see, we are in the account registration section. The process is very simple. You only have to enter the username you want to have, your email. Make sure you write it well and confirm that it is spelled correctly. You also have to create a password and confirm password. You have to accept the terms and conditions and press the sign up button. The system will automatically send you a confirmation code to the inbox of the email you used to fill out the registration form. You have to put in this section the code that you just received in your inbox. If you cannot see it in it, check your spam folder. If the email confirmation code does not arrive, please contact our support team via live chat on Telegram or ask for help in the Telegram group so they can help you immediately. When you enter your code, the system will automatically give you access to your BitSports AI account. Now you are ready to create your account. I hope I helped you. See you soon.